Ako pala si Marge na Uppercast at ito ang kwento ng buhay ko. Hi everyone, this is it! Ito na po, full payment ng ating Ford Mustang GT 5.0 top of the line 2023 model. 3.7 million cash na cash! In 3, 2, 1! Nagsimula tayo na may duda, takot at walang kumpiyansa sa sarili. Pero naniwala lang po talaga tayo sa vision ng mentors 3 years ago. Along my journey po, there were challenges, there were problems, there were obstacles, at yun ang naging kakampi ko sa pagkuha ko po nito. Kailangan kong magpakatatag dahil maraming taong nangangarap din kagaya ko. Let me tell you this, that God's timing is perfect and He has the final say.
Salamat po!